Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Today's video is all about adorable crochet baby hairs, perfect for newborns and toddlers. Crochet baby hairs are one of the cutest and most useful handmade items for little ones. They keep your baby warm, cozy and stylish at the same time. These hairs are made using soft, baby friendly yarns that are gentle on delicate skin. You can make them in any color, classic pinks, blue or even bright rainbow shades. Some designs even come with little ears, bows, or flowers that make them even more charming. There are so many patterns to choose from. Simple bunnies, bear hats, bunny ears, or even pom-pom styles. If you are a beginner, you can start with the basic round head pattern using double crochet or half double crochet stitches. In confidence, you can try more decorative ones, adding ruffles, lace, borders, or animal features. You can even sell them online if you are into handmade business. They are quick to make and don't require too much yarn, which means they are budget friendly too. Many moms love matching hats with baby outfits, especially for birthday or photo shoots. In this video, you will see several trendy and cute hats, each one made with love and creativity. If you love crafting or crochet, this is a fun and rewarding project. If you're a mom, aunt, or grandma, these tiny hats are a special way to show love. So, if you want tutorial for any of better shown, happy to make them for you. Thanks a lot for charming. Remember to subscribe, press the bell icon, and share this video with friends who love crochet. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.